Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy potato soup. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh produce and lean options. Select starchy potatoes, like russets, for a naturally creamy texture. Opt for a low-sodium vegetable or chicken broth to manage the overall saltiness. Remember, healthy cooking starts with smart ingredient choices, setting the foundation for a delicious and nutritious meal. For our healthy potato soup, choose about 2 pounds of russet or Yukon Gold potatoes. These varieties break down beautifully, creating a thick, satisfying base. You'll also need 1 large onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 2 carrots, all finely diced. For creaminess without the heavy fat, use 2 cups of skim milk or unsweetened almond milk. Fresh thyme and chives will add wonderful aroma. Begin by sautéing your diced onions, celery, and carrots in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until softened. Add 6 cups of low-sodium broth and your peeled, cubed potatoes. Simmer until the potatoes are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. For a creamy texture, blend about 1/3 of the soup, then return it to the pot. Stir in your milk alternative and heat gently. Once your soup has reached your desired consistency, season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped chives or parsley just before serving. For a complete meal, pair your healthy potato soup with a crisp green salad. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.